Miss Lauren here. Today we're going to do a song all about making apple pie. Yum! There's a part of this song that's going to happen a few times, so I'm going to teach you what to do during those parts. You're going to take your hands and hit your lap, then clap, cross, uncross. Try that with me. Hit your lap, clap, cross, uncross. And we're going to be singing apple pie, me oh my, apple pie, me oh my. All right, and for the rest of it, you can just follow along with me. Here we go. All right, we're gonna stretch like a big tree. Take your arms like this, so nice and big. Here we go. So many apples in the tree. They're so high I can barely see. I reach and grab a few. Take them home to bake with you. Here we go. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Let's make an apple pie. Peel the apples one by one. Baking pie is so much fun. Chop them up, 1, 2, 3. Thanks for making pie with me. All right, let's do it again. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Let's bake an apple pie. Now it's time to add some spice. Cinnamon will taste so nice. A pinch of sugar makes it sweet. It's almost time for us to eat. Here we go. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Let's bake an apple pie. Roll the dough out nice and thin. Then we'll put the apples in. Now our pie is ready to bake. In the oven, then we wait. Ding, ding, ding. It's ready. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. Apple pie, me oh my. We made an apple pie. Nice job, everybody. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.